Assalamu Alaikum and Hello everyone. Welcome back to H.Marketing, your trusted place for discovering the best Amazon products to upgrade your lifestyle. Today's feature is something special for those who love elegance, organization, and modern style, especially for your bedroom or dressing space. Stick around because this could be the next beautiful and practical addition to your home. Are you tired of your jewelry being tangled, hard to find, or scattered all over your dresser? Well, we've got a stylish, space-saving, and beautifully functional solution. The DUMOS 6 LED mirrored jewelry cabinet, a sleek all-in-one unit that stores your accessories and functions as a full-length mirror. Let's dive into what makes this a must-have. This is more than just a mirror. It's a 47.2-inch tall, wall or door-mounted cabinet designed to organize your entire jewelry collection. And it's lockable too, so your precious items stay safe and secure. Let's break down the highlights. Mirror plus storage in one. The front is a full-length mirror, crystal clear and great for outfit checks. Inside, there's tons of storage space for rings, earrings, necklaces, makeup, and more. Light bulb LED lights. The built-in 6 LED lights brighten up the interior, so you can easily find what you need even in low light. No more fumbling around. Locked with key lockable design. Comes with a key and lock system. Perfect for added security, especially in shared living spaces or with curious kids. Package space saver. This cabinet can be mounted on the wall or hung behind a door, making it ideal for small bedrooms, apartments, or anyone wanting to save space. Dress elegant and modern look. The modern white finish fits with most home styles. Minimalist, glam, or even boho chic. What makes the DUMOS cabinet stand out? White heavy checkmark massive storage. It holds more than 100 pieces of jewelry and cosmetics. Rings, necklaces, bracelets, lipsticks, nail polish, all in one place. Clutter-free life. Say goodbye to messy drawers and lost earrings. White heavy checkmark gift-worthy. It's a perfect gift idea for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or even a self-care treat. White heavy checkmark Amazon's choice and highly rated. With a 4.8-star rating and over 2,000 units bought in the last month, you're getting a proven, reliable product that people love. This is ideal for fashion lovers with growing jewelry collections, people who value a clean, organized space, anyone looking for a multi-purpose, stylish storage solution, gifting your partner, sister, mom, or friend. If you want your mornings to be easier and your space to feel more organized, this cabinet is for you. Ready to elevate your room and declutter your life? Shopping cart, click the link in the description below to check out the DUMOS mirrored jewelry cabinet on Amazon. At just $109.99, it offers elegance, functionality, and convenience, all in one package. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Share this with someone who loves home decor, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new product review. Thanks so much for watching. Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullah. And take care. Waving hand.